This wastewater pump station 30 feet below ground was seeing hydrogen sulfide deterioration. This is biogenic corrosion. Hydrogen sulfide converts to sulfuric acid, which actively destroys concrete. At Utility Asset Management, we use SewperCoat PG, a 100% calcium aluminate system, to neutralize corrosive reactions and inhibit acid-producing bacteria. It's a proven solution with over 80 years of performance in wastewater environments. A job site of this scale and depth requires special procedures. With critical infrastructure out of sight, equipment and materials were mobilized 30 feet below grade using crane access to reach the structure. Once below grade, the SewperCoat PG materials are staged for installation. Exposed rebar was treated and then neutralized. 24 hours before we sprayed, misters were installed and operated as needed. To establish SSD, also known as saturated surface dry conditions, to reduce shrinkage and cracking. SewperCoat PG 100% calcium aluminate was applied to engineered determined minimum of 1.25 inches thickness. The result is a dense, monolithic liner, restoring the structure for long-term performance. This wastewater pump station now has a new extended service life, without excavation.